Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in today's class we will start reading with our next chapter from the book Beehive. Okay, this is chapter number 3 and the name of the chapter is The Little Girl. Okay, so this is a story about one little girl and this story deals with this girl's emotions, with her feelings. Okay, and this story is written by Catherine Mansfield. So she is the writer of this story. Okay, so this is very emotional story. Okay, so let's begin. Before you read, okay, so before starting reading the story, let's get some idea about the background of the story. Okay, do you feel you know your parents better now than when you were much younger? Okay, so first of all we are having this question in front of us and the question is that when you were much younger, okay, so at that time you were unable to understand the behavior aspect of your parents. Okay, so you every time you were full of question that why your parents are reacting like this, right? वो आपको हर चीज के लिए क्यों रोकते हैं, क्यों मना करते हैं, why they are full of instructions every time. Okay, so you were having all these questions. Okay, but now when you all are in 9th standards, okay, so now you are mature enough to understand your parents concern. Okay, so now you are having a better understanding for your parents behavior aspects. Okay, perhaps you now understand the reasons for some of their actions that used to upset you earlier. Okay, so now you are mature enough, okay, that you are able to understand the reasons, okay, for some of the actions that used to upset you earlier. Okay, so आपके पेरेंट्स के ऐसे बहुत सारे एक्शन है जो आपको पहले अपसेट कर देते थे, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मे बी गुस्सा भी आता होगा अपने पेरेंट्स पे कि वो उस तरह से क्यों बिहेव करते हैं, बट ऑब्वियसली नाउ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर कंसर्न, नाउ यू आर एबल टू हैव अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज द थिंग जो इस चैप्टर के थ्रू हम समझ पाएंगे. ओके, this is story about a little girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding will probably find an echo in every home. Okay, so the story that we will read here, okay, so this story is about a little girl, okay, whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding. Okay, so the little girl जो इस story में है, okay, so earlier she was full of fear for her father, okay, but later on her feelings were changed. Okay, and now she was having more understanding, okay, towards her father. Okay, and this is the thing that will find an echo in every home. Okay, why? Because this is a very common thing. Okay, और हम सब ने भी अपने घरों में, अपनी फैमिली में ये चीज़ें देखी हैं कि अर्ली स्टेज पे हम अपने पेरेंट्स का कंसर्न समझ नहीं पाते हैं. वी आर टोटली क्लूलेस दैट व्हाई आवर पेरेंट्स आर रिएक्टिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, वो हर चीज़ पे इस तरह से रिएक्ट करते हैं, हमें हर चीज़ करने से मना करते हैं, रोकते हैं, बहुत सारे हम पे रेस्ट्रिक्शंस लगाते हैं. ओके, लेकिन बाद में जब हम थोड़े मैच्योर हो जाते हैं, जब हमें थोड़ी सी हम थोड़े सेंसिटिव होते हैं, सिंसियर हो जाते हैं, देन ओनली विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड आवर पेरेंट्स कंसर्न. ओके, सो द लिटिल गर्ल दैट इज देयर इन द स्टोरी, अर्लियर शी वाज फुल ऑफ फियर. ओके, व्हेनेवर शी यूज्ड टू सी हर फादर शी वाज फुल ऑफ फियर. ओके, बट लेटर ऑन शी डेवलप्ड सम अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज द स्टोरी दैट वी विल रीड हियर. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. To the little girl, he was a figure to be feared and avoided. Okay, so the little girl that is here in the story, for the little girl, so who is he here? He is the father of the girl. Okay, so for the little girl, the father of the girl was a figure to be feared and avoided. Okay, so what is figure? Figure means a person. Okay, so for the little girl, her father was a person to be feared and to be avoided. Okay, so वो जो गर्ल थी, she was having that much of fear कि उसको लगता था कि वो हमेशा अपने फादर्स को अवॉइड करे. राइट, every morning before going to work he came into her room and gave her a casual kiss, to which she responded with goodbye father. Okay, so the father of the girl, he was full of love towards the girl. Okay, because this is the reason that every morning before going to work he used to come into her room. Okay, and then he used to give her a casual kiss, okay, and the little girl, she responded with goodbye father, okay. So जो girl है, okay, she was so full of fear कि वो properly response भी नहीं कर पाती थी. तो उसके father थे, he used to come into her room, okay, every morning. जब भी वो अपने work पे जाते थे, so before that he used to come into her room and he used to give her a very casual kiss, okay. But जो girl है, she is full of fear, she is so frightened that वो इतना ही कह पाती थी goodbye father, okay. And oh, there was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter and fainter down the long road, okay. So now the father of the girl, he used to go to his workplace in a carriage, okay. So what is carriage? In this picture we can see this is a carriage, okay. So this is a cart that is pulled by horse, okay. So this kind of cart is known as carriage, okay. So जो girl के father है, he used to go in this carriage in his workplace, okay. So every day he used to go his workplace in this carriage only. So ये जो carriage की आवाज़ होती थी, okay. So जैसे जैसे वो आवाज़ fainter and fainter होती जाती थी, faint means weak और we can say dull, right. So जैसे जैसे वो carriage घर से दूर जाता था, उसकी जो आवाज़ थी वो और faint और dull होती जाती थी. तो जैसे जैसे आवाज़ कम आ रही है, it means father घर से दूर जाते जा रहे हैं, अपने workplace, अपने ऑफिस पे जाते जा रहे हैं. So ये जो चीज़ थी, this was a glad sense of relief for the little girl, okay. So now we can imagine that ये जो little girl है, right, ये अपने father से कितना ज़्यादा डरा करती थी. How much she was feared, how much she was frightened with her father कि अपने father का घर से दूर जाना, ये जो चीज़ थी, that was having a sense of relief for this little girl, okay. In the evening, when he came home, she stood near the staircase and heard his loud voice in the hall, okay. And in the evening, when he used to come back from the office, from the workplace, okay, then this little girl, she used to stand near the staircase, okay. So in the house there was one staircase, and this little girl, she used to stand near that staircase, and then she used to hear his loud voice in the hall, okay. Bring my tea into the drawing room. Hasn't the paper come yet? Mother, go and see if my paper's out there and bring me my slippers. Okay, और जो father है इस little girl के, वो ऑफिस से आते हॉल में जाया करते थे, हॉल में बैठा करते थे, और वहाँ से वो क्या बातें बोला करते थे डेली. He used to say like bring my tea into the drawing room. Okay, so वो बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिया करते थे ऑफिस से आते ही. वो कहा करते थे to bring my tea into the drawing room. Then he was like, hasn't the paper come yet? Okay, then he asked for the paper. Then he said to his mother, okay, mother, go and see if my paper's out there, okay. And then he asked for his slippers, okay. So he used to say bring me my slippers, okay. So this was a daily routine, okay. जो उसके father हैं girl के, daily before going to his office, he used to come to the girl's room, okay, and then he used to give her a casual kiss, okay. And after coming from the office, every day he used to speak like this only, okay. Kezia, mother would call to her, if you are a good girl, you can come down and take off father's boots, okay. So now this little girl's mother, okay, so now she used to call her, and the name of the girl is Kezia, okay. So जो mother है Kezia की, she used to call her and she used to say, if you are a good girl, you can come down, okay. So Kezia अभी तक staircase के पास रहती थी, वो नीचे हॉल में नहीं आती थी, okay. So जो Kezia की mother है, she used to call her and she used to say that if you are a good girl, you can come down, okay, and then you can take off father's boots, okay. So जो father जब work पे जाते थे, then he used to wear some boots, okay. So जो Kezia की mother है, वो Kezia से कहा करती थी to take off her father's boots, okay. Slowly the girl would slip down the stairs, more slowly still across the hall, and push open the drawing room door, okay. So now this girl, she actually doesn't want to face her father, right. वो बिल्कुल भी अपने father के सामने नहीं आना चाहती थी, because she was so frightened, okay. But जब उसकी mother ने उसको आवाज़ लगाई है, तब वो अपनी mother को disobey भी नहीं करना चाहती है, right. उसको नीचे आना ही था. So slowly the little girl would slip down the stairs, okay. So what is slip down? Slip down means come quietly okay, or we can say in a unwillingly manner, okay. So वो आना नहीं चाहती थी, उसकी नीचे आने की बिल्कुल इच्छा नहीं होती थी, but her mother, she used to call her. Then this little girl Kezia, she had to come down, okay, but she used to come down very slowly and very unwillingly, okay, and more slowly still across the hall, okay. और जब वो नीचे आ जाती थी और जब उसको हॉल क्रॉस करना है, okay, then she used to move even more slowly, okay, and push open the drawing room door, okay. और finally वो drawing room में पहुंच जाती थी and then she used to push open the door, okay. By that time, he had his spectacles on and looked at her over them in a way that was terrifying to the little girl, okay. और जब तक ये little girl Kezia finally drawing room में पहुंचा करती थी, so by that time he means Kezia's father, he had his spectacles on, okay, and then he used to look at her over them, okay, over the spectacles in a way that was quite terrifying to the little girl, okay. So जो Kezia के फादर हैं, ओके, वो ड्राइंग रूम में बैठे होते थे अपने स्पेक्टिकल्स लगा के और स्पेक्टिकल्स के ऊपर से वो कीजिया को देखा करते थे, ओके, और वो जो लुक होता था फादर के फेस पे, दैट वाज सो टेरिफाइंग फॉर द लिटिल गर्ल, ओके. वो ऑलरेडी इतना डरी हुई होती थी और अपने फादर के उस लुक को देख के शी वॉज इवन मोर टेरिफाइड, ओके. Well, Kezia, hurry up and pull off these boots and take them outside. Have you been a good girl today? Okay. So जब father Kezia को देखते थे that she is also in the drawing room, then he used to say, well, Kezia, hurry up. Okay. So Kezia जो है वो बहुत ही slowly चल रही होती थी, बहुत धीरे धीरे, बिल्कुल, because वो वहाँ बिल्कुल आना नहीं चाहती थी, बहुत unwillingly, बहुत slowly वो चल रही होती थी. So her father, she used to say that hurry up and pull off these boots, okay, and take them outside. Then he used to ask that have you been a good girl today, okay. So Kezia इस बात को कैसे रिप्लाई करती थी, let's see. I don't know father, okay. So Kezia जो थी वो इतना ज़्यादा डरी हुई थी, she was so terrified, okay, that she started stammering, okay, और बहुत ही स्टैमर करते हुए वो बोला करती थी I don't know father, okay. So this thing also shows that वो अपने father से कितना ज़्यादा डरती थी, how much terrified, how much frightened she was, okay. You don't know, if you stutter like that, mother will have to take you to the doctor, okay. So जब Kezia इस तरह से स्टैमर करते हुए बोला करती थी, then her father, okay, वो क्या बोला करते थे, वो Kezia के टोन को रिपीट करते थे, okay, और वो भी इसी तरह से बोला करते थे you don't know. Then he used to say that if you stutter like that, okay. So what is stutter? Stutter means to stammer, okay. So he used to say that if you stammer like that your mother will have to take you to the doctor, okay. She never stuttered with other people, had quite given it up, but only with father, because then she was trying so hard to say the words properly, okay. So now the writer is saying that जो girl है Kezia, okay, she never stuttered with other people, okay. So it was not like that कि वो हमेशा stammer करके ही बोला करती थी, it was not like that. बाकी लोगों से जब वो बात किया करती थी, then she never stuttered, okay, because उसने ये जो हैबिट थी स्टैमर करके बोलने की, ये हैबिट उसने बहुत पहले ही छोड़ दी थी, राइट. सो जब वो बहुत छोटी हुआ करती थी, देन शी यूज्ड टू स्पीक लाइक दिस इन अ स्टैमरिंग टोन, ओके. बट अब वो किसी से भी बात करती थी वो स्टैमर नहीं किया करती थी, ओके, बट ओनली विथ फादर. लेकिन वो स्टैमर किया करती थी केवल कब, व्हेन शी वाज टॉकिंग विथ हर फादर. व्हाई? बिकॉज देन शी वाज ट्राइंग सो हार्ड, ओके, टू से द वर्ड्स प्रॉपरली, बिकॉज वो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉन्शियस हो जाया करती थी, बिकॉज शी वॉज सो टेरिफाइड, शी वॉज सो फ्राइटेड व्हेन हर फादर वॉज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर, ओके. सो शी यूज्ड टू स्टैमर ओनली व्हेन शी वॉज टॉकिंग विथ हर फादर, ओके. What's the matter? What are you looking so wretched about? Mother, I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide, okay. So Kezia, she is so frightened, she is so terrified, right. और उसका जो face है, उसके face पे ही वो look था that how terrified she is. So after observing the look on her face, Kezia's father, he used to ask, what's the matter, what's wrong about you, okay. Then he used to say that what are you looking so wretched wretched about. Okay, so what is wretched? Wretched means to be unhappy. Okay, so her father, he used to ask that why are you so unhappy, why are you so tensed? Okay, mother, I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide. Okay, next he used to say to his mother, okay, that you know, I wish you taught this child not to appear on the brink of suicide. Okay, on the brink of means about to. Okay, so केजिया के जो फेस था उस पर इतना टेंस्ड लुक होता था, इतना टेरिफाइड लुक होता था, ओके, कि उसके फादर कहा करते थे दैट यू आर सो टेंस्ड दैट इट इज लुकिंग दैट यू नो यू आर अबाउट टू कमिट सुसाइड. ओके, सो ही यूज्ड टू आस्क यू नो टू हिज मदर दैट यू नो you should teach this child that not to look like this, not to look so tensed, not to look you know so terrified every time. Okay, here Kezia, carry my teacup back to the table carefully. Okay, next he was having this instruction for Kezia and he used to say, Kezia, carry my teacup, okay, back to the table carefully. Okay, so the father, he was trying to have a conversation with Kezia. Okay, but Kezia, she is so terrified, she is so frightened, okay, that she is unable to speak properly without stammering. Okay, he was so big, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth when he yawned. Okay, so Kezia जो थी वो अपने father से इतना क्यों डरती थी? So the writer is saying that you know for the little girl, for Kezia, जो father थे, he was so big. Okay, his hands and his neck, especially his mouth, and when he yawned. Okay, so what is yawn? In this picture we can see this this is known as yawn. Okay, so when he used to yawn, at that time his mouth looked so big. Okay, thinking about him alone was like thinking about a giant. Okay, so when Kezia, when she used to think about her father all alone, okay, then it was like that she is thinking about a giant. Okay, so for Kezia, जो उसके father थे, he was so huge, he was so big. Okay, that you know for her he was like a giant. Okay, so what is yawning? When we all are sleepy. Okay, so जब हम sleepy होते हैं तब हम इस तरह से yawn करते हैं. Okay, so when Kezia's father, when he used to yawn, then his mouth was, you know, it was so big that it looks like that he is a giant only. Okay, on Sunday afternoons, grandmother sent her down to the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. Okay, so now Kezia's grandmother, okay, she used to send her down when on Sunday afternoons. Okay, so Sunday afternoon, Sunday is a holiday, so Kezia's father was also at home only. So Sundays afternoon, Kezia's grandmother, she used to send her down, okay, in the drawing room to have a nice talk with father and mother. Okay, सो संडे आफ्टरनून बहुत रिलैक्सिंग होते थे. सो फादर मदर दोनों ड्राइंग रूम में हुआ करते थे. सो एट दैट टाइम कीजिया's ग्रैंडमदर शी यूज्ड टू सेंड हर टू द ड्राइंग रूम सो दैट शी कैन हैव सम क्वालिटी टाइम, शी कैन हैव सम नाइस टॉक विथ हर पेरेंट्स. ओके, बट द लिटिल गर्ल ऑलवेज फाउंड मदर रीडिंग एंड फादर स्ट्रेस्ड आउट ऑन द सोफा. ओके, सो व्हेन द ग्रैंडमदर शी यूज्ड टू सेंड द लिटिल गर्ल टू द ड्राइंग रूम, सो कीजिया शी वाज देयर इन द ड्राइंग रूम. ओके, बट एवरी टाइम व्हेन शी was there in the drawing room in the Sunday afternoons, then the little girl always found that her mother was reading. Okay, and her father was stretching out on the sofa, right, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleeping soundly and snoring. Okay, और उसके जो father हैं, he used to sleep on sofa, और किस तरह से वो सोया करते थे, his handkerchief on his face, right, and his feet on one of the best cushions, and then he used to sleep soundly and snoring. Okay, so in this picture we can see this is the little girl Kezia. Her mother is sitting here on one of the sofa and she is reading a book. Okay, and the father is stretching on the sofa, he is sleeping. Okay, handkerchief is there on his face and the his feet is over the cushion. Okay, so in this way he used to sleep there and his mother, he used to sit there reading a book. Okay, so Kezia was there to spend some quality time with her parents. Okay, but the parents, they were already busy, they were already occupied, okay, in some or the other thing, right. She sat on a stool, gravely watched him until he woke and stretched and asked the time, then looked at her. Okay, so Kezia वो क्या करती थी next? She used to sit on a stool, right? And then she used to watch him gravely. What is gravely? Gravely means seriously, okay? Until he woke and finally he stretched and then he used to ask the time. Okay, so Kezia ड्राइंग रूम में ही एक स्टूल होता था, उस स्टूल पे बैठ जाती थी एंड देन शी यूज्ड टू वॉच हर फादर इन अ वेरी सीरियस मैनर. ओके, और कब तक देखा करती थी? फाइनली व्हेन ही वॉक एंड फाइनली व्हेन ही स्ट्रेस्ड एंड देन ही आस्क्ड अबाउट द टाइम. ओके, एंड देन द फादर ही लुक्ड एट कीजिया, राइट? Don't stare so, Kezia. You look like a little brown owl. Okay, and when the father he found that Kezia is sitting there on the stool and he is looking so seriously. Okay, then the father he used to say, don't stare so, Kezia. Next he used to say that you look like a little brown owl. Okay, so वो क्या करते थे? That you are staring as if you are a little brown owl. Okay, so little brown owl क्यों उन्होंने बोला है? Because owl हम सबने देखा है, राइट? तो जो आउल का जो फेस होता है, ओके, वो बिल्कुल एक्सप्रेशन लेस होता है. ओके, फेस पे बिल्कुल भी एक्सप्रेशन हम रीड नहीं कर पाते आउल के. सो जो कीजिया का फेस होता था वो भी बिल्कुल ऐसा होता था, बहुत ही सीरियसली वो बैठी हुई होती थी. ओके, नो एक्सप्रेशन वाज देयर ऑन हर फेस. ओके, सो कीजिया's फादर ही यूज्ड टू से दैट डोंट स्टेयर लाइक अ लिटिल ब्राउन आउल. ओके, one day when she was kept indoors with a cold, her grandmother told her that father's birthday was next week and suggested she should make him a pin cushion for a gift out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. Okay, so now one day Kezia she was kept indoors while she was having a cold. Okay, so one day she was having some cold. Okay, so this is the reason she was kept indoors only. Okay, so that day her grandmother she told Kezia that her father's birthday was next week. Okay, so Kezia's father's birthday was there next week. So Kezia's grandmother she suggested that Kezia should make him a pin cushion, okay, as a birthday gift. Okay, so what is pin cushion? In this picture we can see this is a pin cushion. Okay, so Kezia's grandmother she suggested that Kezia should make a pin cushion for her father's birthday as a gift. Okay, and how? Out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk. Okay, so the grandmother said that you should make a cushion with a piece of yellow silk. Okay, and that cushion as a birthday gift for your father. Okay, so this is a yellow silk pin cushion. Okay, so now जो Kezia की grandmother है she suggested this thing to Kezia. Okay, so will Kezia be able to make a pin cushion for her father? Okay, because she is so frightened. Okay, and when she presented this gift to her father, what will be the reaction of her father? Okay, and because of this birthday gift, okay, जो दोनों के relationship है क्या उसमें कुछ improvement होता है? Okay, we will come to know when we will continue the story. So see you in the next video. Thank you.